Good morning students. Welcome to grade 9 mathematics class. Okay. Today we are going to learn the continuation of the previous class. Okay. So today first of all we are going to do the exercise 1.6 question number 6. What is the question? In an examination 50% of the students passed in mathematics. So listen carefully. 50% of them passed. So how many of them failed? Remaining percentage. What is the remaining percentage? 50% of them passed. So 50% of them failed. Okay. Similarly, 70% of them passed in science. So how many of them failed in science? Remaining 100 minus 70 percentage mentioned no. So 100 minus 70 we have 30%. So 30% of them failed in science. 50% of them failed in maths. 30% of them failed in science. Okay, and 10% of them 10% students failed in both. Okay, so for both failed it is given, is it? For both alone failed given, remaining passed given. So for both failed means, so if you are using the Venn diagram, so the center part, that is both. Okay, 10 of them, 10% of them failed in both. So whole the part we have to consider as failed. So 50% of them failed in maths. Is it? Given 50% of them passed in maths. If it is 50% of them passed, remaining will be failed, no? So out of 100 minus 50 is 50, no? 50% of them pass. If it is 50% of them passed, remaining will be fail, no? So 50% of them fail. Similarly in science also, 70% of them passed, so remaining will be fail. So 30% of them failed, is it? So here maths and science two subject mentioned, is it? For that let us write first of all, let M and S represents maths and science. Okay, so mathematics and science. For that here we can give M, here yes. Okay, yes. Now see the remaining 300 students passed in both the subject. 300 students passed the both the subjects. Find the total number of students who appeared in the examination. Okay, what we have to find out? Find the total number of students who appeared in the examination. Total number of students we have to find out. Very simply using Venn diagram we can find out. By Venn diagram, so here M, this is science. How many of them passed? 50 of them passed. Here 70% of them passed. Here 10 of them failed. So here also we have to write the how many of them failed. Understand why? No, intersection part is given as failed students. Clear? So here 10 of them failed. 10% of them failed. So here 50 of them passed. So remaining 50 of them failed. So 50 of them failed. Here also 70 of them passed. Remaining 30 of them failed. Understand students? Failed students only we are writing here. Okay, why intersection part is failed students only given. So we are finding the failed students and we are writing here. Understand? 50 of them passed in maths. So remaining 50 of them failed in maths. Here 70 of them passed in science. Remaining 30 of them failed in science. Understand? So here we have to write 30. Okay, now this intersection part value we have to subtract. 50 minus 10 equal to 40. Here also this intersection part need to subtract. 30 minus 10 equal to 20. Understand? Now in the question they used the percentage, is it? Percentage. So answer also we have to find by using percentage. Okay, first of all we need to find the percentage of students failed in at least one subject. Okay, percentage of students failed in at least one subject. Okay, percentage of students, percentage of students failed in at least one subject. We are going to find out. How can we find out? We have to add all this answer. Okay, here only max 40, here both 10, only science 20. Failed we are finding first of all. Okay, which is equal to 40 plus 40 is 40 of them failed in maths. Here 20 of them failed in science. 10 of them both. So 40 plus 10 plus 20, which is equal to 70. Okay, it is percentage we are finding. So for 70%. Okay, 40% plus 10% plus 20%. That is 70%. Now similarly, percentage of students passed in at least one subject. Easily can find out now. Percentage of students failed in at least one subject is 70. So passed in one subject is 100 minus 70. Understand, students? Okay, among 100%, 70 of them failed, no? So remaining will be passed. Okay, so which is equal to 100 minus 70 is equal to 30%. Okay, we are finding the percentage. So here percentage symbol we have to give. Okay, now easily can we find the total number of students appeared. For that only this percentage and this percentage we are finding. Okay, now total number of students appeared. Okay, total, let us take total number of students appeared equal to x. Okay, let us consider as x. By given, what is given? 300 students passed in at least one subject. Is it? What is given? 3 in the question. What is given? 300 students. See the question. 300 students passed in at least one subject. Okay, passed in both means at least one. Passed in at least one subject. So 30% of x equal to. Therefore, here percentage of students passed in at least one subject we have 30%. Okay, so by given can be right. By the given condition, 30% of this total number of students x appeared equal to 300. Did you understand this? How is it? 300 students passed in at least one subject. Here percentage of students passed in at least one subject we have 30%. Okay, so 30% of the total student is given 300. In the question itself, this 300 given. Okay, among the given, 300 of them passed in at least one subject. Okay, our percentage is 30. So 30% of total is equal to 300 by given. Okay, this 300 is given in the question. Don't confuse. Okay, 30% of the total. Here percentage of students passed in at least one subject is 30. 30% of the total is given 300. Okay, so now 30% meaning is 30 by 100. Okay, of x means into x equal to 300. Okay, now we have to change this 30 by 100. Let us take to right side. Okay, so bring this 30 by 100 to right side. So x is equal to 30 into when we take this 30 by 100 to right side, it become 100 by 30. Okay, now 0 0 need to cancel. Okay, then this 3 and this 300, 1 3 is 3, here 1 3 is 3 and 0 0. Remaining we have this 100 into 10, which is equal to 100 into 10 is 1000. Okay, so number of people appeared is equal to, or number of students appeared for the examination equal to 1000. Okay, understood students? Just to repeat the same sum, M and S represents the maths and science. Okay, given that 50 of them passed, given is it 50 students passed, so remaining will be fail, no? So 50 of them fail. Like that 70 of them passed in science, so remaining 30 will be fail. Okay, that we have to write here. Then 10 of them failed in both, so that is 10, here need to write. Okay, so this both the circle represents the failed students. Okay, so first of all we have to, when the percentage of the students failed in at least one subject, so we have to add all these answers. Understand ma? So 40 plus 10 plus 20, that is 70. We have mentioned here percentage. Okay, so this percentage symbol we have to give. Okay, now percentage of students passed in at least one subject. Here 70% of them failed, so how much of them passed? Remaining will be passed, no? So percentage means total 100. Among 100, 70% of them failed means remaining of them passed, no? So 100 minus 70 is 30. Okay, total number of students appeared we have consider X. Okay, this only we are going to find out by given. What is given now? 30% of them, here we have answer, no? 30% of them passed, but given 300 of them passed. Okay, so 30% of X is equal to 300. Okay, so 30% meaning is 30 by 100. 30 by 100, so 30 by 100 into of means into. Okay, 30 by 100 into X is equal to 300. Now we have to find the X, that is total number of students appeared. Okay, for that what to do? 30 by 100 into X is equal to 300. Here, from here X is equal to 300, this 30 by 100 we are taking this side, so it become 100 by 30. Now 0 0, whatever the values can be cancelled, let us cancel it. 0 0 can be cancelled. Now this 3 and 300 can be cancelled, isn't it? So that 1 3 is 3, here 1 3 is 3 and 2 more zeros are there, so 100 into 3 is 300, is it? So now 100 and 10 is there, so 100 into 10 we have to multiply, we are getting 1000. That is the total number of students appear. Okay students, next question number 7. What is the question number 7 now? A and B are two sets such that, okay, let us take the two sets A and B, two sets such that n of A minus B, A minus B meaning is except B, that is 32 plus X. Okay, except B, so here this part 32 plus X except B. Similarly B minus A, so except B. Okay, B minus A, sorry, B minus A means except A, so A circle will not come, remaining 5X. And n of A intersection B, this part, A intersection B part, X. Okay, illustrate the information by means of a Venn diagram. Given that n of A, this A circle, n of A, this complete circle is equal to n of B, this one, this complete circle. Both the circles are equal given, so easily can be find out. Okay, so first of all, what are the values given? Let's write. Okay, so given n of A minus B except B, okay, equal to 32 plus X, and n of B minus A, okay, that is except A, that is 5X, and n of A intersection B, that intersection part alone, equal to X. Also given, one more condition is given, also given n of A equal to n of B. What is meant by this? This A circle equal to B circle. Okay, so by this condition n of a equal to n of b. Therefore in this a circle inside what is there? 32 plus x plus this x. Okay, so this x also included in a circle as well as b circle. Given n of a equal to n of b, so therefore n of a is 32 plus x plus x. Okay, equal to n of b. What is n of b here? This b circle fully, that is x plus 5x. Okay, x plus 5x. So now let us add this 32 plus x plus x is 2x equal to here x plus 5x. Both like terms can be added. X plus 5x is like 1x plus 5x. 1 plus 5 is 6. No? Similarly 1x plus 5x is 6x. Okay. Now let us write the x term one side and number term one side. That is 32 equal to 6x. Let us bring this 2x to this side. It will become minus 2x. Now 32 equal to 6x minus 2x is 4x. Okay. Now need to find the x term. Now change the sides. Both sides let us change it. Okay. So 4x equal to 32. When we are changing the both side, that symbol will be changed, but both side it is changing. So it will be cancelled. Okay. So 4x. So sign not necessary to write. Do you have any confusion? 4x also bringing this side. 32 also we are changing this side. Both the side symbol will be changed. So when we changing the both side, that symbol not necessary to change, automatically it will be cancelled. Okay. So from here let us find the x value. So x is equal to 32 divided by 4. So 1 4 is 4. 8 4s are 32. Okay. Therefore x is equal to 8. That is the answer. Okay, understood students? So next one is question number 8. What is the question number 8 now? Very simple question. Out of 500 car owners investigated, 400 owned car A. There are two types of car A and car B. Okay, 400 of them owned car A and 200 of them owned car B. 50 of them owned both the cars A and B. Is this data is correct? We have to find out whether it is correct data or incorrect data. We have to find out. How can we find out? Easily can be find out. Okay. So first what is given? Let us write. Okay. There are two types of cars. Okay. So car A is 400 of them. So let us write given number of owners owned by car A, that is n of A, is equal to 400, and number of them owned car B, okay, that is n of B, is equal to 200. Next, both means intersection. So n of A intersection B is equal to 50. And out of 500 car total, okay, that is n of A union B is equal to 500. Okay, whether this data is correct or not, how can we find out? Now using formula easily can be find out. We know that what we know, the formula n of A union B is equal to n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. Okay. So here what is n of A union B value? 500 is equal to what is n of A? 400. Okay. Plus what is n of B? 200. Minus what is n of A intersection B? 50. Okay. Now 500 is equal to, now 400 plus 200 is 600 minus 50. Now 500 is equal to, here 600 minus 50 is 550. Okay. Is it same both side? No. Is it? So not equal to. Okay. So this both the side not satisfying. Is it? So the given data is not correct. If we are getting both sides same value, we can say the given data is satisfying. Given data is correct. Both sides if it is satisfying, we can say the given data is correct. Okay. So here the both side not satisfying. Okay, not same value. If you are getting same value, we can say the given data is correct, otherwise not correct. Okay, here both side not same values, so we can write the given data is not correct. Okay, therefore the given data is not correct. Okay, did you understand? So first of all, we have to find the given value. From the given, n of a is 400, n of b is 200, n of a intersection b, both 50. Okay, n of a union b is equal to 500. Then formula we have to use, okay, to verify whether the given data is correct or not. For that formula we have to use. Okay, when we are using formula, both sides is not satisfying, so the given data is not same. Okay, these are the today's question. So you have to learn the given portions and practice it well. Okay, thank you students.